Okay, to get the model of the file, I go to export data and I select CSV is the best. I ask for opening the file. When I'm into the file, let's call it test, save. Then into this file, I can do whatever I want. For instance, I just want to keep this line. I have to change a new reference because you cannot have twice the same thing. Okay, whatever I do, then I save it at CSV format. Then I go to Tools, Data, Import, select the file, Test, Import. I usually ignore the first column. And tells me 3 products. And if I go here, the latest product is my product. So you can have some bullshit like this line. You can remove it by Control Delete. But you did it. Yeah, and you can anytime you can restart from scratch, do it again in the other side, and so on. So, you have to check the due data, going to Tools, View Duplicates, Reference to see if something is wrong, and you can see there's one reference which is double. So I have to correct it. Uh, the reference is double as this one, okay? And then everything is okay.